passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So this is like an impromptu video, so don't mind the fact that I'm up here looking crazy, but it's okay. I wanted to just do a quick unboxing, and my pillow is like right at, okay, there we go. I want to do an unboxing. It's huge, but so I've actually, this is not a sponsored video or anything. I just really like Teddy Blake. So yeah, this is the ADELIA, I believe that's how you say it, bag. I got it in the color taupe, and I got the large size, which I think is like 10 by 4 by 12, and I typically do like larger bags. So if you're interested, I also just filmed like a what's in my work ish bag, and this is also a Teddy Blake bag. So that is the dang, which bag is that? The Bella Pomaletto, I believe that's what it's called. So they actually sent that one like a year and a half ago. They sent the Katie, they sent something else before in gray, and then I also purchased one for my birthday like 2 years ago. So as you can see, I really do like them outside of just working with them. But we're gonna go ahead and open this one up. This is like, it retails for like $7.10, I think. I got the prices, $7.10. It was on sale. It's on sale right now for $4.39, but I got it for like $3.99 or something like that. I don't know what was so special, but I got an email and I was like, I do want a new bag, and I wanted a spring color. So this is how it opens up. It's cute. I never had a box before. Like usually when I worked with them or got bags from them, it was just in a dust bag. But it opens up, it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury light leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. So again, if I do decide to spend money, which is rare, I think, it's gonna be something that's I can, you know, that I can use more than once. Like I saw some hot bags on there, but they were like in weird colors, so I was like, I'm not gonna be able to wear that often. Like that's why my other bag I got was in like that beige color, and I wear it, you know, a lot. So in here you have, stop playing, but no, so in here you just have the bag, and it is wrapped. So that's that. And I see that the box actually folds pretty flat, so you don't have to really throw it away. You can kind of just store it, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna sit that over there, and I am gonna keep it. It's actually really cute. Open this. But yeah, I'm definitely a fan, and I feel like they make like really high quality bags, but it's a fraction of the typical cost for a similar bag. So this is what it looks. I feel like when I do these, y'all probably are not intrigued because it's not super bright or bold or anything, but it's definitely more so my style. So that is what this looks like. It's really plain, really simple, and that's what I really liked about it. But like I said, they have this like gray one with like a neon trim, which is so fire. So I'm definitely wanting to get that, but it won't be something that I get immediately, because stuff like that I just really have to sit down and be like, do I really need this? But this is what it looks like. It does have the logo here. Not sure if it's gonna come up because it's so bright. There you go. That's like the true color. It's like a nude cream color. They call it taupe. They have the logo in silver, Teddy Blake, New York. And before, when I first worked with them, it was a major thing. Like people were really mad because they didn't have the logo on the outside of the bag, so they did incorporate that. So you do get a dust bag. The ones I have are gold and taupe, but now I have a black one, which is really cute. Of course, It's large enough to fit the bag and still give you room. You know, it's nothing real special, but it's really cute to me. You do have your handle that you can attach. Like when I get bright things, I have one bright thing, and that's my wallet and card holder from Teddy Blake, and it's like a bright orange color. But I feel like that's something that you don't need to be muted, and you can still, you know, wear it a lot. But opening this up, I think that would actually complement this bag a lot. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is suede on the inside. You do have the separator in the middle, and also you have a zipper pocket, and then you have two additional pockets that don't have a closure. So yeah, you take your authentication card and yeah, you put it in there or whatever, and that's pretty much that. Let me show you close up. All right, so this is like, I guess as good as it's gonna get. Up here you have the zipper closure there, and the Teddy Blake logo is on that as well. Then you have this zipper closure, which is cool for like your wallet, passport, whatever, iPad, tablet. And then you have the two like phone holder, gum holder, something that you just want to grab really quickly, you can put right there. So that is what this bag looks like. This again will probably just be like more of an everyday bag compared to this one, which is like a little longer and a little bit taller, which is more so like a work bag. And this one actually fits my basically everything I need. So, you know, got the hygiene goods and the water, the wallet, the iPad, the little planner and stuff. So yeah, shout out to Ariana. She really put me on with this one right here. I love it so much. And work phone is in here. But anywho, if you want to see a full video of what's in my work bag type thing, definitely be sure to check out that video, which probably will come right after the unboxing of this bag here. So this one actually also comes in black, blue, gray, like a charcoal color. What is this? This looks green, but the gray looks like an icy blue gray. So anywho, that is this bag. I hope y'all enjoyed this type of unboxing. Let me know down below what type of sporadic purchases y'all have probably been making just because y'all been in the house bored. You know, is it going to be beneficial? Which I feel like this will be. And it's just definitely spring and summer to me. I needed something a little bit lighter and not white. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't think there's any other details. The only thing is this has silver like detailing, and I'm more so a gold girl, but you know, whatever, I can switch it up. So that is this. I hope y'all enjoyed. Pretty simple, pretty basic, and thanks for joining. I feel like it's something I'm missing, but whatever.